as I'm waiting now for the air to subside in here, I'm going to go around the edge. I've got a putty knife here, and we had carpet up here before, and sometimes you get little carpet remnants sticking to the base or whatever. And I'm going to check this whole thing out now along the edges. I've got just a little putty knife here. What is this? It's probably a 3-inch. And see, we're going to end up doing something a little bit different to this floor. We're actually I'm going to resurface this floor. I'm going to put a concrete float material veneer over this, probably a couple coats. And that's why I got to get everything nice and smooth. I've got to loosen up, well, remove any little bits of tile along the edge that happen to be loose. Because this floor, we're not going to remove this tile. We really wasn't going to talk about this just yet, but I can do it fairly quickly. You see right here where they remove the tile to put their carpet tack strip, and then their carpet can fit tighter down to this tile and stuff. But I'm going to have to end up floating that. I'm going to float this from here up to here, and then I'm going to float over the tile. So when it gets all done, it's going to look like concrete. See, if I removed all these tiles, I've got this mastic substance here that there's no way I'm going to be able to scrape all that stuff off. And I don't want to scrape all that off. Anyways, I'm going to encapsulate all that, and I'm going to make it look like brand new concrete. And I'm going to be showing that on my videos too. You just stay tuned for that, because this whole thing, it's kind of like a series, but I'm titling different things in different ways. You're going to have to just keep watching my videos. I'll also put them on a playlist, and I'm going to end up doing something like this floor out here. Isn't that kind of cool? This is all concrete, and this didn't have any tile down on it after the carpet was removed and everything. And this was stained and sealed, a couple coats of sealer. And I'll show you all that on this floor over here. That's what's going to happen to this entire area, this hallway, this small bedroom here, and I still have to take this sauna down. Yeah, I still got my work cut out for me. A little sauna. This thing is awesome, by the way. We decided to leave this up. See, I just cut the carpet around it. You see there? That way I can still have this up for a few more nights and get in there and get all nice and hot and toasty. And I can sweat off about 600 calories each evening just by using that. So I'm going to be strategic about this. I'm going to leave this up until I have all the rest of the floors floated out. Then I can take this apart, take it out of here, and this little section right here is going to be floated out last. Okay? Because that's another thing. When I install the stain, I want to do it all in one go. Don't think, okay, I'm going to stain right here, then I'm going to match it later. It never works. Trust me on that. That's why this has to go out. That's why I wanted everything done in one go. Okay? I didn't want to do like, hey, I'll do this closet first and just do a test and then stop it right here. Nothing doing, because there's no way under the sun that you're going to be able to match that stain perfectly. That's why it's best to do it all in one go, and that's what we're going to do. Okay?